Hey there, looking for a cashback card that integrates with your investing? Applying for the Fidelity Rewards Visa Signature Card is simple and can boost your investment contributions automatically. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to apply. You can find the application directly on fidelity.com under Credit Card, Offerings, or via a quick web search for Fidelity Rewards Card. The application will ask for your personal and financial information, similar to any credit card. You'll need to have an eligible Fidelity account number to direct your cashback into. My crucial pro tip: set up automatic redemption. During or after application, opt to have your 2% cash back deposited directly into your eligible Fidelity brokerage account. This automates the process of turning everyday spending into invested dollars. That's how you make your credit card work double duty for your financial goals. Do you use cashback cards to fund investments, or for other rewards? Share your strategy below. If guides on synergizing your finances help you, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.